An IRS audit always starts with a letter. Okay, you get a letter in the mail, and in a notice in the mail. And there's really two kinds of letters. So one is just a matching notice where they are seeing income that's been reported on a 1099 or something to the IRS that they don't see on your return. And those are not as difficult to respond to. But the second type of notice is a notice where they don't understand your return. They see something on your return that they're concerned about, and now they want to look into your return, and they've got a series of questions that they want answered about the return. They want to see documentation. That's a full-blown audit. And you know, that type of client, that type of situation, you know, we would normally get them on as an advice and guidance consulting client, and then we would get out in front of that audit. And if the audit, if they're looking into the return and they have questions about the return itself, then that's a more, you know, expansive audit and requires a much stronger, more diligent response to that audit. And at that point, you do need to get, I would highly advise you get somebody who, you know, knows how to support IRS audits on the client's, from the client's perspective. Our process is to analyze, you know, the situation, the exposure the client has, and then get out ahead of the IRS audit. So we know what they're going to ask for and why they're asking for things and where they're trying to go with their audit procedures, and so we just get out ahead of that. So we've already got the answers. We often can you know, defend the audit by just being organized, getting good documentation together, good explanations, and maybe finding some errors in the client's favor that can offset something that the IRS is seeing.